By the way, make sure if you haven't watched my last video, make sure to watch that. It'll get you started, then it'll just get you pre-knowledge on everything and just get you started with Roblox Studio. Alright, what's up everyone? So, today we're going to be doing doing prints and warns. So, let's just get started right into it. So you can either place a regular script into workspace or server script storage, or server script service. You can place it into there, or you can place it into workspace. I just usually put it into server script storage service. Doesn't really matter. You can put it in the workspace. I'll just put it in the workspace just for this tutorial because you don't need it. It doesn't matter. So basically to get started, you can actually see when you open a script, it says print hello world. So this is what we're going to be learning. So you can just delete that, even though we're just going to be writing it back, but just delete it. So what you want to do is you want to type print, and there should be an autofill for print right here. It just says prints all provided values to the output. So the output is actually right here. So whatever you put into this, it's going to put into there. So if I put print, right, and when you want to print text and not a value, or not a variable, I'll talk about variables later. If you just want to print a text, it's called a string. If you want to print that, then you do these quotation marks here, and then you can type whatever. So I'm just going to type, this is my first print. There we go. And then now we just run the script. We just press play actually. And then right here, it shows up in the output. This is my first print. So yeah, well, basically this is your first script actually, if you haven't done one before. And there you go. So next is warns, and warns is basically the same thing as print, but it's warn instead. So you can literally just replace print for warn, and it says warn. This is my first print, and I can change this to warn. And now what happens is this is yellow now, so it's way more visible. And this is just good if something bad happens, like your script doesn't work, oh, couldn't find an object here or something. So if this doesn't show up, if the error doesn't show up, you can just use a warn or something. But just usually stick to prints. Prints are usually just what you want to use, and this is very good for debugging. So debugging basically just means figuring out something that is figuring out and finding a solution to a problem. So let's say, I don't know, I just say yeah, so this is very good. So I'm just gonna write a simple script. Local x is equal to 3. You don't have to worry about this. You don't really have to. This is just an example. So if I just say if x is equal to 3, then we'll learn about all this stuff later, but I just want to show. Then print, I'll just say x is equal to 3. And now this shows up as x is equal to 3 because x does equal 3. So, yeah. But yeah, that is basically prints. It's very simple. It even shows up when you put in the script, and they work for local scripts as well, and local scripts are only able to really put in starter player, character script, starter player, starter pack, I think. So yeah, starter pack, I'm pretty sure. Starter GUI, and that's basically it. Yeah. So I'll just put a script in just this, because why not? Now I'll put in starter character scripts, and you can see here, print hello world. This will work as well. This will work. Boom, hello world. And it will be blue because it's client. So yeah. That's basically it. Alright. Bye.